Hello class 7. Uh, in chapter 2 number system we have learned 4 conversion, that is how to convert a decimal number into binary. The second one, how to convert a binary number into decimal. Third one was how to convert a decimal number into octal. And fourth, what we learned, how to convert an octal number into decimal. Okay. Now today we are going to start conversion from an octal number to a binary number. How to convert an octal number to a binary number. See, the binary equivalent of octal comes in 3 bits. It always comes in the 3 bits form. An octal number uses all digits from 0 to 7. We can directly write the equivalent binary of each octal digit 0 to 7 by using 3 bits form as shown here. Now see, the binary of 0 is 0. Now only 0. To make it 3 bits, we'll put 2 0 left side. The same way, the binary of 1 is 1 only. To make it 3 bits, we'll put 2 0 left side. Now how to get binary of 2? It is just like decimal to octal number. It is just like decimal to octal number. Like decimal number is suppose 2. Divide 2 by 1. It comes 1. So the octal of 2 came 1 0. So write here 1 0. But to make it 3 bit, left side just put 1 0. So value will not be changed. The same way, one more example. Suppose 6. So binary of 6 is 1 1 0. How the 1 1 0 comes? Do it. 6 divide by 2. How many times? 3 times. Remainder comes 0. Again divide 3 by 2. How many times? 1 time. Remainder comes 1 time. So what is the answer? So binary of 6 is 1 1 0. The same way, all these octal digits we can convert into binary by this division method. And if it is 1 digit, make it 3 digits, 3 bits form by putting 2 0 left side. If there are 2 digits, that means in the case of 2, we have only 1 0. So to make it 3, put 1 0 left side. Okay. So this way we can convert all the octal number into binary equivalent. So binary of octal comes in 3 bit form. Now let us convert an octal number to a binary number. Suppose the number is 367. We want to convert into the octal. Now using this table, directly we can do it. Very simple. So using this table, now see, find the 3 is here. So what is the binary of 3? 0 1 1 1. Binary of 3 is, see, binary of 3 is, the binary of 3 is what? 0 1 1. So write 0 1 1. The next digit is 6. So what is the binary of 6? Binary of 6 is 1 1 0. So write directly 1 1 0. Next digit is 7. What is the binary of 7? 1 1 1. So write 1 1 1. So what is the binary of equivalent of octal number 367? 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Base 2. Second example, 500 suppose 3. 503, not 505, it is 503. So 503. What is the binary equivalent of 5? See this table. Binary equivalent of 5 is 101. By dividing you can check, like right here 5 divide by 2. How many times? 2 times. Remainder will be 1. Again 2 how many times? 1 time. Remainder will be 0. So what is binary equivalent of 5? Binary equivalent of 5 is 101. Then 0. So what is binary equivalent of 0? The binary equivalent of 0 is 0 0 0. So write 0 0 0. 3. What is the binary equivalent of 3? 0 1 1. So write 0 1 1. So this way we can convert an octal number to binary number. Now next one is conversion from a binary number to an octal number. To convert a binary number to its equivalent octal number, group the binary numbers in 3 bits form. From the right hand side, what will do, from the right hand side you make the group of 3. Okay, see this 3, see first 3 from right side, second 3, third 3, and see at last there are only 2 digits. So we can add 0 to the left hand side to make a number of bits into group of 3. So just simply add here 0. So now it is a 3 digit. You see, now you have got the 3 bit form. We have got how many 3 bits form. Now, so this way once again, you got the binary number, you have to make it into octal. So from the right side, make the group of 3 bits form. First 3, second 3, and at last if only 1 digit is left, then add 2 0 left side. If 2 digits are left, then just in this example put 1 0 left side to make it 3 bits. Now using this table, now first digit is 0 1 1. The 0 1 1 means what? 0 1 1 means 3. The right here 3. Then next is 0 0 1. The 0 0 1 is what? 1. Right here 1. Next is 1 0 1. So 1 0 1 means 5. So right here 5. Last one 1 1 0. So 1 1 0 means 6. So right there 6. The second one is 1 0 0, 1 1 0, 1 0 1, 1 0 1. That from right side make 3 3 group. First 3, next 3, again next 3 from right side, not from left side, and again next 3. So at last also we have got 3. And now suppose here only 1 digit is there, then left side put 2 0, and 2 digits are there, then left side put 1 0. Now convert it into octal by using the table. First is 1 0 0. So 1 0 0, which number? 4. So write 4. Then 1 1 0. 1 1 0, which number? 6. They write 6. Then 1 0 1. So 1 0 1, which number? 5. They write 5. Then again 1 0 1. Again 1 0 1 means 5. So this way we can convert a binary number into octal number. Alright. Now next, hexadecimal number. In the hexadecimal number system, we use the digits from 0 to 15. But in the decimal number system, only 10 digits are present. That is from 0 to 9. Only 10 digits are there. And after 9 comes 10. That is repetition of 1 and 0. Comes 11, repetition of 1 and 1. 12, repetition of 1 and 2. 13, repetition of 1 and 3. 14, repetition of 1 and 4. 15, repetition of 1 and 6. Because there are only 10 digits in decimal number system. So in hexadecimal number system, the digits 10 to 15 are presented by alphabets A to F. So after 9, A means 10, B means 11, C means 12, A means 10, B means 11, C means 12, D means 13, E means 14, and F means 50. Okay, so 0 to F. Now let us learn how to convert a decimal number to a hexadecimal number. See, the decimal number base is 10, hexadecimal number base is 860. Okay, so as I have taught you before, that to convert decimal to binary we divide by 2. To convert decimal to octal we will divide by 8. The same way to convert decimal to hexa we have to divide by 60. So number is 2699. We want to convert into hexadecimal. So write in tabular form 2619 divide by 60. So if you divide 2699 by 60, then what comes? How many times? 168 times. 168 times. So it goes 168 times. So 168 times. So 8 times will be 128. So remainder comes 11. When we divide 160 when we divide 2699 by 16, remainder will be 11. The 11 means capital B. Again, now how many times? 168. 168 divided by 16. How many times? 10 times. 16 into 10, 160. So what will be remainder? Remainder will be 8. So now here 10 means A, 8 means 8 only, and 11 means B. What will be the answer? Answer will be A, 8B. One more example. 4966 is a decimal number. We want to convert into hexadecimal. So write here 4966. Okay. Now divide it by 60. How many times? 310 times. How many times? 310 times. Just check it. 4966 divided by 60. 310 times. So 310 times. So remainder comes 6. Now divide 310 by 60. How many times? 19 times. Okay. Remainder will come 6. Again 19 divided by 16. How many times? 1 time. So what is the hexadecimal equivalent of 4966? 1366. So today's class we have learned how to convert an octal number into binary, a binary number into octal, and how to convert a decimal number into hexadecimal number. So write and practice. Thank you.